Hello everyone, my name is Esther and today we'll be looking at sex chromosome syndrome. We all know that female sex chromosome is XX and male sex chromosome is XY. So we call these sex chromosome syndromes because they usually determine the biological sex of an individual. So when there is variation in these chromosomes, they usually result in conditions like Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome occurs when a male has extra X chromosome to their sex chromosomes. That makes it 3, which is XXY. Now, what are the symptoms of Klinefelter syndrome? We have shyness, we have social difficulties, we even have infertility. However, when there's assisted reproductive procedures, anybody diagnosed with Klinefelter syndrome may be able to give birth to their own biological child. This syndrome may affect testicular growth, which may result in smaller testicles. We also have smaller muscle mass, less body and facial hair. They may also have extra breast tissue, and this syndrome may cause such an individual to produce less or no sperm. Usually, this particular syndrome may go undetected, like they may go without being diagnosed. So you may be able to detect this syndrome when there is low sex drive or puberty changes that are delayed. Now, let's look at Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is when a female is born with a missing copy or a portion of her X chromosomes. That makes them to have just one sex chromosome. This particular syndrome may cause a female to experience abnormal menstruation, infertility, and issues with their ovaries function. There may also be no breast development if there is no hormone therapy. They have low levels of sex hormones like estrogen, and they also experience a delayed puberty. And in most cases, they may not experience puberty unless they go for hormone therapy. And such female may also experience a broad chest. And there are certain health conditions attached to this Turner syndrome. What are they? A female may experience kidney problems, they may experience heart diseases, they may also experience thyroid, obesity, high blood pressure, and diabetes. There is no cure to Turner syndrome. However, there is treatment to manage the level of their hormones as well as other health conditions. Now let's move on to Fragile X syndrome. Fragile X syndrome is an inherited genetic disorder that causes physical abnormalities, several behavioral issues, and other health conditions. These health conditions may include developmental delays, intellectual disabilities, autism spectrum disorder, and ADHD. Additionally, the intellectual disability may range from mild to severe.